All right. Hello, Healing Hands School alumni and friends. So today I am working in the Healing Hands School Canyon just because I like to. One of the mottos is work is love, and today I am loving working and putting a lot of my heart into a place that I love so much for our school. The goal for today is to clear poison oak. So we have our beautiful waterfall area. The water here does help nurture the animals, probably hundreds of miles around. This is the goal for clearing. So this tree is just covered in poison oak, and so I'm going to cut around and just cut through the poison oak to the tree. In a couple months we can pull it all off. There's poison oak down here. I'm going to lay out some carpet and lay out some carpet, and then I'm going to move the wood onto carpet so that poison oak doesn't grow in the wood. There I have my pile of carpet that I carried here, and that's it for today. Hope